everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Avneet and today, what is happening today? So finally, this is a room tour of my room. I'm so excited! Guys have been asking me lately, please Avneet, let's do a room tour and let us just see what's there in your room and how your room looks and stuff like that. और मुझे बहुत सारे ऐसे comments आ चुके थे मेरे previous videos पे कि please room tour करते हैं. तो finally it is here and let me guide you through my room today. You're totally invading my private spot, but I am liking it. Okay, so alright, first off, let's start with the bed. This is my bed, as you guys can see. This is the little decoration that I've done here. Like, this is the theme, and yep, I have a lavender bedsheet on. Like, most of you guys don't know that I really like this color lavender. So I have a lavender bedsheet for my bed. In my room, and oh my god, I just made that. You guys know, I mean, like, I posted a story on Instagram and people were literally loving it. Thank you so much for all the love. I made this myself. I just put together a few pictures and I've written in the middle. So yep, a lot of you guys also don't know that I really like space. I like galaxies, moon, and you know, hearing all about it. Something that I made myself. Right, so second thing that I'm going to show you today is my study section. Is that what you call it? I don't even understand. Like, I have all my books over there. So this right here is my study section, and not study section, actually I have all my books here. So my mom has put this over here. I don't even understand what this is, but she says that it gives out positive vibes, so I have it here. The second thing that I have is a little cute little plant here. I've always loved plants and I have one over here in my room itself. How cool is that? And then ये छोटू सा पता नहीं ये cute सा light मुझे कहीं से मिला था. So it's like a diya, so it looks very pretty. And then, like, I have my books over here. I have a file that says my name. How cool that is. So there's a drawing book, and then there's a weekly planner that I have to go through. There's a diary. You're not gonna go there. वो ना आपको पता नहीं चलने वाला क्या है इसके अंदर. So try भी मत करना. Okay, so there's this to-do thing list that I have. Then there's another journal that I have. Then there's this passport cover, and this is my contact list. This is a pouch that I have. जिसमें mostly मेरे सारे, you know, औजार होते हैं. And then I have books here. I had like a lot of books, but I've given them to my friends to read. So this is the Harry Potter section that I have right here. So like पूरा Harry Potter का इसमें, you know, है पढ़ना अगर हो किसी को तो इतनी मोटी books, but still. Then there's another book, and this is the one that I'm reading right now. It's Postscript. This is like a sequel to the PS I Love You. So yeah, so this section itself is like my most favorite part of my room. It looks super cozy and it has like a lot of, you know, things, and it looks very Tumblr. So I really like this section of my room. This is how it looks with the lights off. I mostly keep my lights off because, you know, it looks so pretty and the feel of the room is even better. And then what we have right here are my curtains. Curtains? Did I just say curtains? Okay, sorry. These are my curtains, and yep, I think these are very cute and these are very basic. I don't like to, you know, add a lot of color in my room. I like it how it is, maybe basic and white. So yeah, it has like a bit of print in it, and I really like these curtains. My mom picked out these for me and I love them. So the next thing that we're gonna see here are these beautiful dream catchers that I've put together. These look super cute and adorable. I'm just gonna give you guys a better view. So yep, that's how they look, and it looks very cute. So all these are like where I keep my clothes. So yup, यहाँ पर मेरे अलग अलग सेक्शंस में कपड़े पड़े रहते हैं. एक्चुअली इतना ही नहीं है, एक और रूम है जहाँ पे मेरे कपड़े पड़े हैं, बिकॉज मेरे कपड़े अंदर fit नहीं होते. Then I had found these on Amazon right here. These look very cute, so I really like the color. I don't know why I picked so vibrant colors though, because my room is like so basic, but I really liked these. And इसमें mostly मेरे bags हैं, मेरे sling bags, bum bags, then whatever bags, I don't know, सब मेरे bags इसमें पड़े होते हैं. And ये मेरे जो room का main door है उसके पीछे है. And this is the bag that I carry for my shoot mostly. And then these are a few books that I've been reading from Discovery, Universe, Earth. And this one right here is my vanity that I take for my shoot. This section right here is where I keep my shoes. So there's another section which is outside because यहाँ मेरे room में इतना सारा सामान fit नहीं होता. So I had to keep it outside. But I'm gonna give you guys a look at it. Big fan of black everything. I just like everything black. So even my heels are black, mostly my shoes are black. And there's another section that I have outside which also has a lot of shoes, which mostly actually has my sports shoes and my sneakers and stuff like that. Okay, so let me give you a slight look at my dressing table right here, which I have decorated with the help of my mom, and I've put on these lights and it looks super pretty. I have a basket in which I just keep all my stuff that I need. There's this box which has all my watches. I'm a big fan of watches. And then these are the hairbrushes that I use for perfume, gel and perfume and stuff. All the products that I use here, perfumes and stuff. And then this is something that a fan had made for me, so I've kept it here. These are my glasses because yeah, I'm a chashme wala bachcha. And this is something that I use very much because it has like all my creams and all my medicines and stuff. There's a powder, hair oil, lip tint, then a speaker that I use. I've got like something super organized right here. Yahan par this is like where I put like most of my things, my mask, my perfumes and stuff and everything. It's just here, it's organized. Second drawer is my makeup. So like I have like all my eyeshadows and stuff in here, and eyeliners and I don't know, whatever. Then the third one is where I've kept my products. Again, these are like all my hair stuff, hair accessories. Then there are my straighteners and everything. And then the fourth one right here is where I keep my jewelry, a little bit of it, mostly lipsticks and nail paints. Like there's a whole box of nail paints here and things for my nails. So yep. अब इस साइड आते हैं तो यहाँ पे मेरी सब किट्स हैं. आई डोंट नो, these are all the pouches that I have. इसमें maybe there's gonna be a lot of things for my travel stuff. Then lipsticks in this, then makeup in this, brushes in this, medicines stuff I don't know about. Then there's gonna be accessories in this one right here, I guess. And then there's this makeup kit that I have that I usually take out wherever I go. There's a Polaroid camera. There's this accessories ka dabba that I have, I don't know. And then obviously never gonna forget my chocolates. जब मुझे भूख लगती है आधी रात को कभी भी, तब मैं खा लेती हूँ ताकि मैं किचन में नहीं जाऊँ. And I'm actually out of these, so I'll fill these up very soon. This was my dressing area where I keep all my makeup, jewelry and everything. All my jewelry, my earrings, necklaces, rings and stuff that I really love. It is so cute, so Tumblr. And पता नहीं क्यों यहाँ पर मैंने अपना बैग रखा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आता, मैं कहीं पे भी कुछ भी रखती हूँ कभी कभार. But I've kept my exam bag. This is my exam bag. अपनी ऐसी चीज़ों को यहाँ से हटा दिया करो जो ख़त्म हो चुकी हो. So ये एक मेरा एग्जाम का बैग है. There's this pillow that a fan gifted me, and there's more of this lipsticks and eyeshadows and all that. सो दिस इज माई मिरर एंड इसके अंदर मैंने अपनी पूरी ज्वेलरी रखी है, जिसके लिए मैं अभी नहीं दिखाऊंगी, एक और वीडियो आएगी। इसे मैं पहले पेंट करूंगी। आई एम गोना पेंट दिस मिरर एंड देन आई एम गोना शो यू गाइज व्हाट्स इनसाइड। माय विंडो। अभी तो पूरा अंधेरा है यहाँ से, नहीं तो सुबह बहुत अच्छा व्यू होता है। So I've kept this really important thing, my 100k subscribers, which was presented to me by YouTube. So thank you so much YouTube for this. And then there's a clock that I've kept here basic. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. And this is a mirror that I have in my bathroom, which is adorable. Everybody, so this was my not so extra room tour. That is it, and that is what I've got here for you guys. Everything I just have shown it to you all. मैंने कुछ नहीं छुपाया, promise, but just jewelry collection मैंने थोड़ा सा छुपाया है because I am actually planning a video with that, so that's maybe gonna be in my next YouTube video. So that section has to be a little private right now. I hope you guys don't mind. And my makeup collection, मुझे काफी लोगों ने बोला कि makeup collection पे भी एक video बनाओ, तो I think मैं वो भी बनाने वाली हूँ, but in a bit, not right now. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you all. Thank you so much for always supporting me and loving me. And also let me know in the comment section what you guys want me to do for my next YouTube video. Till the time, take care of yourself. Stay home, kids. Okay. Stay home, alright, and stay healthy. Build up your immunity जितना हो सके आप. Try to discover yourself. Try to discover what you're really good at and your hobbies. And watch series, man. Netflix वगैरह देखो, आराम करो. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed watching this. Until next time, thank you so much. I love you all.